One question I get asked all the time is, what does my maintenance fee include? Let me show you a simple way to find out. Today, I'll be using 10 York for illustration purpose only, looking at the Schedule E of the condo declaration. A condo declaration is usually over 100 pages long, but this is only 49 pages of Part 2 of the building declaration, but you don't need to read the whole thing. For this building, I have summarized what is included for the maintenance fee. That includes cleaning of the common areas, garbage and recycling pickup, concierge, amenities, building insurance, internet, management, and landscaping. Please note that the internet service can change from time to time. Water, heat, and hydro are not included in the maintenance fee because they are sub-metered. A quick tip is, if you see the word utility monitor, this means that utilities are sub-metered and you have to pay those bills separately. Always remember to confirm with condo management in writing to determine what is included in your maintenance fee.